If a doctor violated the basic standards of medical care, but that did not cause or contribute to your injury, can you still go forward and bring a lawsuit in New York? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from beautiful sunny Sanibel Island, Florida. My wife is out picking lots and lots of seashells today, and I've got a few moments to share this great information with you. So now, in a medical malpractice case, we have to show that we are more likely right than wrong, that what we are claiming is true, that a doctor violated the basic standards of medical care, that as a result of those violations, now you suffered injury, and as a result of that, your injuries are significant and or permanent. Now, if you only have the first part of all three of those elements, can you still go forward and bring a lawsuit? The answer is, no, you can't. And by the way, all three of those elements must be confirmed by a doctor, a qualified medical expert, who confirms each one of those things. So now, if we can show that a doctor violated the basic standards of medical care, but we are unable to show that those violations were a cause of the injuries that you suffered, then we are prohibited, then we cannot show that link between the wrongdoing and the injury that you suffered. That means that we're missing a vital piece of information known legally as causation. If we don't have liability, causation, and damages, all confirmed by a medical expert, we cannot go forward with a medical malpractice case. So that's why some injured victims pick up the phone and call, and they say, listen, the doctor did something wrong to me. And I turn around and ask, well, what injury did you suffer as a result of whatever happened? And then they tell me. And then we look for the connection. Is there a connection between the wrongdoing, the violation from the basic standard of medical care, and the injuries that you suffered? If the answer is yes, now we have to look and delve deeper. If the answer is no, and there's no clear-cut connection, now we've got a significant problem, and there's a gap in what we need to show that you are more likely right than wrong. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a medical malpractice case in the state of New York. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, then I encourage you to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.